In terms of picking technology companies to invest in, what is your top criteria? I highly appreciate your advice. Thank you for that question. Yeah. So for me, it's always people. Always. The jockey is more important than the horse. Don't waste your time doing research on a company or building a financial model if you don't feel comfortable with the founder CEO and is she or he still running the company. And the best CEOs in history and founders, they're great salespeople, right? So when you watch interviews with them, of course you have to do a lot more due diligence than just that. When you watch interviews with them, I want you to think to yourself, are you getting excited about what they're selling? Think of yourself as a customer. If they can't sell, they can't grow their top line, and there's no point of making a financial model based on that. What I also look at is I love to invest in companies that are platform-based. If you own the road and you charge the cars or the toll booths, then there's a better chance of your business model taking off because somebody else is helping you grow it, meaning customers, not just you. And so eBay is the quintessential auction platform. It's kind of a sleepy company now. Growth has slowed, but they're a platform. They don't really do much. They just collect tolls from people buying and selling stuff. Facebook is the quintessential social media platform. I don't trust them, but it is what it is. LinkedIn is a great business social media platform. Google's a platform as well, etc. Now, when you analyze companies, I have a great tool for you. I provide my MBA students with just a ton of tools. And if you want, you can download this. I usually don't do this, but I'm going to. Go to haroonventures.com/EMS-4-2, okay? All lowercase, haroonventures.com/EMS-4-2. That means Economics, Management, and Strategy, Semester 4, Class 2. And this is one of the many templates I have here. You can click here to download what I'm about to show you. Make sure you download it. Don't just click it here. I don't want you to run the Excel spreadsheet in your browser. And I never tell my students what to buy, ever, because nobody's smarter than you. And I want you to always do your own research. You know, I humbly want to teach you how to fish instead of providing you with a fish. Because if you buy a stock based on someone else's research or opinion, then you'll sell it at the worst time when it goes down. And Warren Buffett famously said, the New York Stock Exchange is the only store in the world where consumers sell stuff when it goes on sale.